Presenting FreeSpace DS40 loudspeakers, the most versatile members of the FreeSpace DS family. They're engineered for spaces where you need full-range sound at low levels for just a few people, and louder levels when there's more of a crowd. They reproduce music and speech with smooth, natural sound, wide, even coverage, and frequency extension down to 70 Hz. Each DS40 loudspeaker is built around a 4.5-inch full-range driver and features an easy-to-access tap wheel for 70-volt, 100-volt, and 8-ohm settings. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, all DS40 loudspeakers are tested to meet most local code requirements, and DS40 SE loudspeakers can also be used outdoors. In addition, DS40 loudspeakers share voicing and design aesthetics with other FreeSpace loudspeakers, giving you the flexibility to get the performance you want for different spaces and applications in nearly any system design. The DS40 loudspeaker comes in black or white, with an integrated wall mount bracket for easy installation. To drive DS loudspeakers, FreeSpace amplifiers simplify the installation with a range of models and options to fit nearly any situation. And we can even help you put it all together. With the Business Music System Designer, just enter your room dimensions and it does the rest. Discover how FreeSpace DS40 loudspeakers can deliver the performance you need to create the experience you want from your system design. For product specs, accessory information, and more helpful videos, visit pro.bose.com.